We're at our first campsite along the Missouri River. We think we're at the rural campsite that we were trying to get to. We're not quite sure yet, but it's beautiful. We rode about 5 or 6 miles today. Got a late start about 5 p.m. So here we are in our first campsite.
Where?
Some jerky, and a tiny little fish just swam into my cane and got stuck in the top of my cane where my toes are, and I took off my shoes and saved him and let him swim away.
Well, thank you for that. Anna, are you having a good time? You having a good time? Roll over. Roll over. Oh, good girl. Here we are, the whole family, in the tent, hiding from the rain.
Hi.
Hi. It's a passing storm, hopefully.
It's raining like crazy out there.
We had some severe thunder showers earlier. We almost thought we'd have to go over to the rest potty.
I almost was going to go hide in the bathroom for my fear of lightning.
We made it.
Oscar's still a little nervous.
Now we're just chilling out.
Reading our book.
Reading our book. Oh look, it's my family.
Hi.
Sitting on an island, having a lunch in the sun. How are you today?
I'm good.
See, what's this? This is day 3 of our river trip on the upper Missouri River. We're stopped for lunch on an island around mile 28, river mile 28. Jerky and granola bars. We camped last night at Wood Bottom Campground, which was a developed access site.
It rained all night.
Rained all night, but we managed to get in a nice dinner and some coffee. And yeah, loaded the canoe up this morning.
Hi! Here we are, somewhere along the river, almost to our...
Mile 40 and a half.
40 and a half.
Getting ready to enter the White Cliffs section of the river.
Almost to our camp for the night.
You can see where we've come from back there. We're just kind of in a little shallow area, so we're taking a little break. There's Anna. She's seen lots of deer today.
I'm floating.
Here we are on the river. Here we are paddling the White Cliffs section of the Missouri River. We camped last night at Coal Banks Landing. Today we're heading towards Eagle Creek, where we're going to hike up Neat Coulee. Video of that.
Good, how are you?
Good. Things we do for pictures.
You're in a video. Look for yourself on YouTube. Drifting lazily down the river. This is float speed I'd say we're moving maybe a mile an hour right now. Very, very calm and relaxing. Here's our campsite of August the 25th, 2010. Starting out north, looking around, river's flowing to the right, downstream. First half of our trip we were paddling north, downstream. Then the second half we've been pretty much going due south. It was a great big creek in the river. There's a adventure camp crew of 10 kids and 2 guides staying at the other shelter last night. They're staying over for the day. Looking up here, if I can get up there, is the famous hole in the wall, which we hiked to yesterday. Didn't actually get into the hole. You'd have to be crazy to do that. And these sun shelters are absolutely necessary out here because the trees are just little saplings watered with a solar powered drip irrigation system from a non-potable well. Cottonwoods and box elders. Next to us last night were our friends from Plumas County. They took the left half of the lean-to. We were in the right half. Still getting our stuff packed up. Ready to hit the river for a 13-mile day to Slaughter River.
Here we are at our last campsite on the river.
It's Brian Lollipop. Do, 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 do. Come over this way, and I'll show you what I'm cooking. We have rice pilaf with fresh vegetables that Aaron dried last week. And in here, for a secret surprise, we have cornbread, which, it's just about, that's good cornbread. Alright, I am going to cover.
By the river, we hung out over here.
Went for a swim.
This is not. And then here's our tent for the night. Beautiful, as every night. I'm new with a video camera, so it's probably really jumpy. There's the outhouse that we're excited about.
Privy.
And there's Anna. Anna!
Here we are approaching Judith Landing, the Highway 236 bridge. River mile 88.5. Almost 90 miles of Bebo hardcore paddling down the upper Missouri River. Aaron bringing us in for the kill. Take out just about a 1/10 of a mile below the bridge there. Campground should be coming up on our left before the bridge. A lot of cottonwoods down in this section. It's been really kind of cool looking. And there you have it.